Today we are seeing basic grammar. The first one is the sentence. The sentence must have a verb. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words. It must have a verb, definite verb. Then only it is called as a sentence. There are four types of sentences. One is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is called as a statement. Second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means question type. Third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, the sentence which is in the form of order or request is called as an imperative sentence. The next one is exclamatory sentence. The sentence which has sudden feeling or express your thought is called as an imperative sentence. Let us see a few examples in assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means ordinary sentence. I am a girl. Rama is a good boy. She is an intelligent girl. So these are called as assertive sentence. The sentence always starts with a capital letter and ended with a full stop. That is called as an assertive sentence. That means it is an ordinary sentence. Vinod is playing football. It is also assertive sentence. Rama is a clever boy. It is also assertive sentence. So assertive sentence means ordinary sentence is called as an assertive sentence. Let us see what is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a question type. The sentence starts with capital letter and ended with question mark. What is your name? This is an interrogative question. How old are you? It is also an interrogative question. Where did you keep the book? Why did you play in the evening? So these are all called as an interrogative question. So interrogative question means the question starts capital letter and ended with a question mark. Next one, what is the imperative sentence? The imperative sentence is either order or request. Order means giving the command. Sit down, don't go out. So these are all called as the imperative sentence. Person is giving order to someone. This is called as the imperative sentence. The same imperative sentence, it is also a request form. Please open the gate. This is also imperative sentence. Please give your pen. This is also called as an imperative sentence. So imperative sentence means a sentence which contains either order or request is called as an imperative sentence. Let us see what is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is express a sudden feeling. It's called as an exclamatory sentence. Wow, what a beautiful plant it is. So it is the expression of your feeling. So it is called as an exclamatory sentence. Alas, he is dead. That means sudden feeling of your sorrow. It is also called as an exclamatory sentence. How beautiful is it? So it is called as an exclamatory sentence because exclamatory sentence expresses your sudden feeling. So such a way we can see the sentence are in four types. This topic, a sentence is a group of words. It must contain a definite verb. This in four kinds. One is the assertive sentence, nothing but statement. Second one is interrogative, nothing but it is a question type. Third one is the imperative one, it is either order or request. Fourth one is the exclamatory sentence, it expresses your sudden feeling. I will give a few more examples for you. You have to find out what kind of sentence it is. Either it is assertive or imperative or exclamatory or it is an interrogative sentence. Let us see what a great success it is. On seeing the word what, don't think it is another clue is for you. The sentence ended with exclamatory mark. So it is an exclamation sentence. Because many of the students may confuse, means it starts with the question of what. So it is called as an interrogative sentence. It's not an interrogative sentence even though it starts with the what, but it is not a interrogative sentence. It is an exclamatory sentence. The reason is it is ended with exclamatory sentence. It is not ended with question mark. And also What a great success it is. It expresses your sudden feeling. So it is called as a exclamatory sentence. The sentence is a exclamatory sentence. It is a exclamatory sentence. It is not a interrogative sentence. It is a exclamatory sentence because it's ended with a question mark of exclamation, and also it expresses your sudden feeling. Next one. How old are you? It is ended with question mark, and also it asks the question how. How old are you? So it is an interrogative question. That means it is a question mark. How old are you is a interrogative sentence. It is a interrogative sentence. The sentence is a interrogative sentence. Next. Mala is a good girl. So it is a statement. It does not have exclamation mark. It does not have a question mark, and it is not order or request. So automatically the sentence is a assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means ordinary sentence. The sentence is a assertive sentence. The sentence is a assertive sentence. That means it is an ordinary sentence. Sit down. So it is order. I am giving order to someone. What they have to do? Sit down. So sit down is the imperative sentence. Sit down is a imperative sentence. It is in the form of order. So you can call this one is a imperative sentence. What a pretty girl. So it is an exclamatory sentence because the sentence ended with exclamation mark, and also it expresses your sudden feeling. What a pretty girl. So it shows your expression. So it is called as an exclamatory sentence. The sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, got it? Next one. He helps me a lot. It is not order. It is not a request. It is not exclamatory. Then automatically what will be it is? It is an assertive sentence. He helps me a lot. He helps me a lot is an assertive sentence. It is an assertive sentence. The sentence is in assertive form. Next. Where are you going? So it is asking the question. Where are you going? So it is called as an interrogative sentence. It is an interrogative sentence. The sentence is in the form of interrogative. Next. Please read this letter. So it is a request. When you place order or request, it is called as an imperative sentence. Please read this letter. So you are asking someone, you are putting a request on them. What they have to do? They have to read the letter. You are not giving an order. Just you are saying, please read this letter. So it is a imperative sentence. The sentence is a imperative sentence. So wind up my topic. A sentence is a group of words and it must have a definite verb. There are 4 types of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamative sentence. I hope you can understand this topic very well. I give a few more examples for you. I request you kindly to do and work out all these examples. Then it will be familiar for you. It is easy to understand this topic. Thanks a lot.